Hi, this is Attorney Mike Grevin coming to you from Chicago as usual. And today we've got a fun one. It was sent to me by Chandra. Thank you. And we're going to call this one Sovereign Citizen Court Fail number 22. The guy in here is just a complete ham. I took it from a page called Custom OG, and it's kind of fun, but I've got captions and that kind of stuff in there. I'll put a link to that in the description below. It comes from a compilation of a lot of Sovereign Citizen stuff. I've done videos on some of the other ones.
Thing unconstitutional or unlawful. So are you honoring your constitutional oath today?
I always honor my constitutional oath, but Mr.
Good.
Mr.
In which case, just as you have an agreement with the Bar Association representative here, I made a motion to dismiss. All charges should be dropped. No civil assessment. Case should be dismissed. If I'm only making an appearance to dismiss, I'm only making an appearance to demand that this court dismisses the matter or face a civil suit for damages. I'll mind you, I am
Oh man, here we go already. It's a shame we can't hear the judge in this one, but this guy is a ham. It's really fun. I can read between the lines for you what the judge is thinking. It is hilarious. You walk in and open with a motion to dismiss with no basis. But I give him 2 points. He's ahead of most soft sits, and that's what they're attempting to do, but they don't even have the vocabulary to pull that off. Yes, that's what you'd like, is a motion to dismiss. However, that it's not going to work because you didn't bring it and you don't have any basis for it other than you just think the law doesn't apply to you.
a candidate running for City Council District 3.
That's fine.
All right.
And I appreciate you.
So I will definitely remember all of this and hold you accountable if I am elected. Because
I mean, right there, it just shows just the simple mind. He's like, I'm running for city council. Okay, so what? That doesn't matter. Then he declares, I'm going to hold you accountable. Basically, I'm going to get you back for it, which is just wrong. It's actually criminal what he just said. In open court to a judge. They don't have the power to do it, but to the extent that they did, if they did, it would be improper and you would, lose your office over it. Don't forget to hit like. The boys would really appreciate it, unless you have something against Frankie and Ollie.
I will be a representative of these people. And if you are representatives of the Constitution and we the people, then as I said to you before, are you honoring your constitutional oath today? You still did not answer that. You still did not answer that. Since there is no victim here, there is no crime. All right. As the authority on the floor, I'm now claiming common law jurisdiction, and I dismiss this case on behalf of we the people. As you see, these people
as the authority on the floor, he just proclaimed himself the authority in the room. Yeah, it doesn't work like that.
Are committing a crime. They're committing treason right now. They're not upholding their constitutional oath. Right now, you have a duty as a law official to arrest this man because he's committing a crime. If he doesn't uphold his right, if he doesn't uphold his oath to uphold the United States Constitution, we the people now have to take over. Do I have at least 2 witnesses here to claim as witnesses to these crimes? Do I have at least 2 witnesses? Do I have at least 2 witnesses that these people are committing a crime?
I love this. I mean, he's just on a crazy rant, of course, but no, he does not have 2 witnesses. It wouldn't matter if he did. I mean, that's not any sort of procedure that matters. But just for the record, nope, he doesn't have 2 witnesses.
You are ordered to go to collections.
Nobody here is going to stand up for we the people? You're going to allow them to treat you like slaves? Is there anybody here that's going to uphold the United States Constitution? Because as you can see, there are criminals here. I'm leaving, but I'm expecting to have this case be dismissed.
Frankie is officially skeptical.
All of you guys are traitors. As I said, I'm a candidate running for City Council District 3, Nicholas Wildstar. Wildstar, 2018.com. All of you are traitors of the United States Constitution.
Well, it's a little late to vote for WildStar2018.com, but I love that. That's my whole question here. I don't know if he believes anything he's saying or if he's just having fun with it. You'll see more in a little bit.
All of you are traitors of the United States Constitution and are not upholding your oath to respect that Constitution. You will be held accountable once I'm elected for treason.
Oh yeah. City council members are always starting treason investigations because they weren't let off something that they were probably guilty of.
Are you going to be stopping at collection?
None of you people are going to stand up for we the people? None of you? I did nothing wrong. It's a traffic case, court, over a chipped windshield. Okay? A chipped windshield. I'm not going to pay anything because I have nothing to pay you. I pay your salaries already with my taxes. You get... I pay for this building. I pay for you. I'm leaving on my own recognizance because I want to leave. Because this matter is over. Look at you. I'll be on YouTube later. Look for that. WildStar 2018. Remember, City Council, District 3. I'm a candidate. I'm on.
Yeah, I don't think you're getting any votes here, buddy. Oh, I love it.
On the ballot in November. I'm on the ballot in November. They really don't.
See right there. I mean, he actually does have a good smile and he's having a good laugh about it. And this makes me wonder if he realizes how silly the whole thing is and just doesn't care and whatever. We'll take his adverse ruling on some small matter and just have fun with it. That's what I'm wondering. That would be the best construction for him.
Well, none. I'm telling you, when you exercise your rights, just write it down and read off the script. That's all you got to do. I had him befuddled. The man couldn't even speak. He was speechless. Okay? He was spellbound with these words. It's all a mystery here.
So are they gonna send you?
They're criminals. They're criminals. Here at the Superior Court of California North Justice Center in Fullerton. They're criminals. And once I'm elected city council candidate, I will be making sure that all of these people are held accountable. I will be making sure that they are arrested and they're held to the fullest degree of the law. Because that's what it takes, is for we the people to actually stand up for what's right. They're not going to do it. They're going to continue to be unlawful. They're going to continue to treat us like we're their slaves, like we're subjects of their authority. We are not. They work for us.
That is hilarious because he's saying all these things and yet he's trying to get elected. So if he becomes an official, then what? He just misunderstands the whole thing. He's saying these people are tyrants. Elect me, and then he's saying the first thing I'll do is be a tyrant.
We got to let them know that. All of them people in there were shook. They didn't even want to raise their hand and say that they were witnesses to a crime. Witnesses to a crime. They're watching it with their own eyes, and they're so shocked, just like you are, I'm sure. Just like you are, that they can't believe that this is right. It is. And we gonna make what's right out of what's wrong as soon as I'm elected, all right? WildStar2018.com. I got the cameraman with me again.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, that's my rider right there.
Showed up, but once I realized in a few seconds that everybody else was going to be sheeple, I wasn't going to risk the even more,
Oh, come on. You could have been at least one of my two.
I know.
You could.
Oh, I love it. He couldn't even get the guy he brought with him to to support him in court. Oh, that guy's a trip. I have no idea what's going on, but yeah, it seems like he was having fun. I can't tell. I'm gonna go with the most generous construction of this scenario and just assume he knows how silly he was, but he was having fun with it. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.